Okay, okay, students. Now in this video, we will discuss about damped vibration, force vibration, and resonance. Clear? Now, in the previous video, we have discussed about the natural vibration of the body when a body is when a body vibrates on its natural frequency, then it comes under natural vibration. Now, here we will discuss about damped vibration. First of all, what is damped vibration? Generally, what happens when a body vibrates in a medium? The amplitude of the vibrations continuously decreases with time, and ultimately a situation comes when the body get stopped. Such vibrations are called damped vibration. Now this type of situation comes due to two forces, that is restoring force and frictional force. Damped vibration has two forces in this which acts on the body, that is restoring force, frictional force. See, restoring force is the force which tends the body to come in its original original state, that is restoring force. Clear? Frictional force, it is due to the force of friction, it may be due to air, any surface, etc. So friction, these two forces. Now generally what happens in damped vibrations, when the vibration starts and comes to its rest due to decrease in the amplitude of the vibrations, such type of graph followed. I have drawn a graph between displacement and time. You can see initially the vibration start with the amplitude a, and with the time period slowly it comes to zero. Such type of vibration comes under damped vibrations. Clear? Clear? Now in this case, the energy of the vibrating body also decreases. Clear? And the vibrations per second, or with the time period, it also decreasing gradually, and here the amplitude also decreases gradually. Clear? Clear? Now with there are certain examples which we will discuss. Branch of the tree, these examples are experimentally, they come to the conclusion of that such type of vibration comes under damped vibration. When the branch of a tree is pulled and then released, what they noticed, initially the vibrations of the tree is very high amplitude, and after some time what happens, the vibrations with the increase in time period, slowly the branch of the tree gets stopped. Clear? Such is damped vibration. A simple pendulum oscillating in air. See, air exerts pressure on the pendulum, friction with the help of air and all those things. When the oscillating pendulum is being given certain energy, clear, then a situation comes, slowly the vibration decreases and comes to rest. Tuning fork also, when stroked with the rubber pad, once it is been stroked, what happens, the energy of the tuning fork is very high, and it starts with the higher amplitude, and slowly the amplitude decreases and comes to rest. The next example is the vibration of spring having a mass at its end. See, this is the rigid surface, and a spring is being attached, a mass m is attached at the end of other spring. Now in this, when initially it is hanged, there is a vibration created in the spring. Initially the amplitude is very high, and with the time period it decreases and comes to rest. Now the next, this is all about damped vibration. The next part is forced vibration. Now here, what is forced vibration? See, we have discussed about natural frequency, that is natural vibrations. Now the natural when the vibrations of a body which takes place under the influence of an external force, suppose a body has, and an external force is applied on the body, and body goes into a vibration other than the natural vibration, such type of vibration is called forced vibration. Such type of vibration is called forced vibration. Clear? Now here, in forced vibration, three types of forces takes place: restoring force, frictional force, external periodic force. Clear? External periodic force. Now here, when an external periodic force is applied on a vibrating body, the frequency, the body no longer, it is not vibrating with the natural frequency, because we have applied external periodic force. It vibrates with a different frequency than the natural frequency, but it gradually acquires the frequency of applied force. Whatever be the frequency created due to the applied force, that is also called driving force. New frequency is gained by the body because of this external periodic force. Although a body has a natural frequency also, but due to the external force it acquires a different frequency, and it vibrates with a different frequency. So such type of force due to which the new frequency is gained is also called driving force. Clear? And here the amplitude also depends. See, the amplitude of the force vibration also depends on the frequency of the external force. If the frequency is different from the natural frequency, the amplitude of the oscillation is very small. Clear? Now, a situation we will discuss about the examples of that force vibration. When a tuning fork is pressed against a you can say a surface of table. Now what happens, it gets a larger surface area and an external force is applied on that. Clear? External force is applied on the tuning fork, and tuning fork gains a new frequency with a higher amplitude, so it goes into force vibration. Clear? Next example is diaphragm of microphone. It also in the sound box. Now what happens, the vibration produced by the diaphragm of the microphone sound box, frequency with the frequency corresponding to the speech also comes into forced vibrations. Clear? In the same way, in guitar also, when an artist plays with strings by his finger, then vibration caused by the is force vibration only of because the frequency created is due to force applied by the person. Clear? In the same way, there are musical instrument which has a hollow box inside it. That hollow box increase the surface area, and when the instrument is played, it gives the situation of force vibrations. Clear? Now, with the help of these three vibrations, and there is a condition of resonance. First of all, mm, learn about what is resonance. What is resonance? See, when it is the special case of force vibrations, whenever a force, external force is applied on a body, if the natural frequency of a body becomes equal to the force frequency created by the force vibrations, then a situation comes with the increase in amplitude of the body, and such situation is called resonance, in which these natural frequency and this uh, frequency due to applied force becomes equal, then resonance occurs. Clear? Resonance only occurs whenever the natural frequency of the body and the frequency created by the applied force become equals, then there is a situation of resonance. There is a condition that resonance only occurs when the applied force causes force vibration in the body and the frequency of the applied force is exactly equal to the natural frequency of the vibrating body. This is the condition for resonance. Clear? This is the condition for resonance. Now, till here, do the book reading. Rest we will discuss in the next video. All the best.